Hi everyone! Welcome to our video blog. Once again, I'm Gabriel Sinday.
I'm Jane Riconalia.
And also, I'm IK Jason Team.
Watch and listen as we talk about the IATA, 3 major operations in the world.
The GMT concepts in world time zones.
And also the international dateline and concept and the world
Climate
and hemisphere.
Hemisphere.
So welcome!
Welcome. So, what does IATA mean? Gabriel?
IATA means it's International Air Transport Association. So it's a trade. This is an association of the world's airlines, and it consists of 274 airlines, primarily major carriers, representing 117 countries.
Wow.
Yes,
Wow.
that's true. That's
You
a
mean that's
117
really
countries.
too huge? I mean, too big.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it is.
The IATA's member airlines account for carrying approximately 83%.
83%.
Yes, of a total
In
of
every
available seat kilometers air traffic.
That's cool.
Yes,
So,
IATA supports airline activities and formulate industry policy and standards like that.
yeah. So,
There.
I
So
mean,
that's
what are the 3 major operations of
so.
IATA?
What was that? So what
Do
are
you
the
have any
3
idea?
major
Could you please
operations
give me
of?
one?
One is the
one
safety.
is the safety.
Yes.
Yeah.
One of the is the safety.
Yes.
Why safety, Gum?
Yes.
Safety, because safety is the IATA's #1 priority,
Yes.
That's
and
true.
it addresses the areas of global concern and targets unique regional challenges that are seen as the major safety challenges in these areas. That's why it's a safety. So there are
Safety and security.
yes, the safety and security. So
The
in
IATAs.
safety security, there is also the segments of the program.
What are
There's
those?
Can you
these
name
are
it?
some of the programs, the flying operations. One is that flying operations, the safety auditing, and the infrastructure safety, the infrastructure and the cargo operations safety, integrated airline management system, and the safety data management and analysis.
So you mean safety with the flying operations?
Yes, of course, because when it talks about air travel, we need to be safe.
Yes.
Yes.
That's the first priority of the IATA.
Those are the segment of IATA codes.
yes, that
Yes.
are some of.
They are
So there are 3.
Yes.
So the second one, what is it?
the operations.
So
Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Operations. So the IATA operations team provides parallel expertise. It organizes structures and process cost reductions initiatives and flight operations management and fuel efficiency. So and the last is
Is
It's the infrastructure strategy. Mandate is to establish and maintain a global infrastructure plan addressing long-term strategy. Wow, that's a long-term strategy.
so why is it infrastructure is the last one?
And also, it is a near-term issues. Yeah.
That's why. So what are the 3 operations, by the way?
It's the
the
safety,
safety,
operations, and
infrastructure
infrastructure strategy.
That's it. So what is the international dateline means?
International dateline is an imaginary use of navigations of surface of the earth. So that track from the North Pole to the pole demonstrates the change one calendar day to the next.
So if this would be the globe,
Yeah.
then the North Pole and the South Pole, it rounds down to the South
Yes,
Pole.
that,
You're
yes,
right, Gab,
that's
you're right.
true.
So that is about the long
The international
dateline.
dateline. Yes,
So,
that's
It's
what it means.
it's a line that from the North
North
Pole
Pole
Yeah.
to the
to the South Pole. So that means the international dateline.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that true, Aiki?
Yes, you're right.
So let's now move to the world climate and hemisphere.
Yeah.
So
the
what do you
last.
mean by that,
So,
CJ?
that's the world climate zones. Have you ever wondered why one area of the world is a desert, another is a grassland, and another one is a forest.
Why?
Why is it? Why do you think so?
I
Well,
don't think so.
You don't think
so
so?
I mean, let me ask you another question first. Why are there different forests and deserts, and why are there different types of life in each area?
Because of climate.
Wow,
It's because of climate.
Yeah.
That's true, I think. That's a good point, huh? That's a good point.
it is. Climate is the characteristic connotation of the atmosphere near the Earth's surface and a certain place on Earth. It is the long-term weather of that area, at least 30 years.
Oh, 30
That's
years?
a long
Long.
run of a
Yeah.
time, of a year.
Yes, that is a fact. Also, this includes the region's general pattern weather conditions, seasons, and weather extremes like hurricanes or hurricanes?
Hurricane.
It's
Oh,
a
hurricanes, droughts, and rainy periods.
Yeah.
So, Gab, how about you?
Yes, it's actually there are two most important factors determining an area's climate. One is the air temperature and the precipitation.
Wow.
So that is the two
We
factors.
should take note of that.
Yes, we should take note about the two factors determining about the climate. So that's it.
World biomes are controlled by the climate.
Why it is in
What's world
biomes?
biomes? Bio means it's
Bio. So, say, continue.
Bio.
From the word bio, it's alive.
Okay, yes, you're right. So,
That's
world biomes.
great.
Yeah, it's the
Idea.
climate of origin which determine what plants will grow there. Like for example in Baguio.
That's
What-
why.
Yeah,
When we say biome, it's alive. It's a living thing.
yeah. Also, have you ever noticed why only, I mean,
Baguio?
the strawberry is the most famous fruit that, that grows in Baguio.
Why?
So-
Why is that?
Because they have the cold weather.
Because of that cold temperature that they
And
have.
those polar bears, they live somewhere in South Africa because it's too cold there.
So
Yeah.
that's why. So
Yeah.
mostly.
So can you give us a trivia or some facts about climate?
Alright, so I have a trivia here, guys. That the sun rays hit the equator a direct angle between 23 degrees north and 23 degrees south.
Wait, let me show you.
Of
Yeah.
what? Can you
Okay.
see?
Okay,
So
okay.
here's the north,
That is
The
the
south.
north, the south,
Yes.
the east,
The east and the
west.
west.
So it's 23 degree from north, right?
Yes.
So it just be here.
23
So it's
degrees.
23 degree north and 23 degrees south.
South. So that is a trivia where the sun rays hit the equator a direct angle.
Yeah, that explains why the Philippines is so hot right now.
It's because of this latitude.
Yeah.
In other cases, guys, the rays arrive at an angle to the surface and are less intense. The closer a place is to the poles, the smaller the angle and therefore the less intense of radiation. So that's what you have shared, CJ. Is a kind of interesting. And
Yeah, it is. You know what? I still remember.
where did you get that?
I still remember those days where either it's 12 p.m. and it's not really hot, but right now, even it's 5 p.m. You know what? It's really hot in here. So why do you think is that?
It's because of the
Climate
climate.
change.
So, our climate system is based on the location of these hot and cold air mass regions and the atmospheric created trade winds and
Yeah.
westerlies. That's why here in the Philippines we have two.
Two major climates.
Yes,
Climate,
one
rainy
is
season.
the tropical
Yeah.
and
Tropical?
Just
So,
in the cold one.
we have a tropical country.
Yeah.
We are
Yes,
the Philippines.
Philippines is a tropical country because we have just a two
Just a
weather.
two.
That's why
It's a
most
sunny,
foreigners
yeah.
love to go there because it's tropical weather.
Oh,
Because
how
they don't
about
have it there.
yes? Because in the other countries, Aiki, there are four.
Four.
So what was that? What is that, by the way? One is
Winter,
yes, the
Autumn.
autumn.
autumn,
Fall
fall,
and
and
the last
Oh.
one. It's the summer.
summer.
Yeah.
Summer, of course.
It's a winter.
Have I mentioned winter?
Yes,
Alright.
So nevertheless,
Yes.
that's all about
Yeah.
climate
That's,
and about zones, climate.
yeah. About the IATA.
Go.
So that's a rant.
Yeah, right.
So it's time to say goodbye.
Goodbye,
Goodbye,
guys.
everyone.
everyone.
And
Thank
see you
you
in the
very
next
much.
video.
So do you have any further to say? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So,
We forgot to thank them.
Yeah.
So,
So-
we will see you then with our next video blog.
Yeah.
Thank
I
you
hope-
very much.
And see you again. Bye-bye.